Are you ready? Imagine having a great restaurant, delicious food, amazing service, but your social media, completely silent, only 22 views on Instagram, 30 on Facebook. Does this story sound familiar? Well, watch what happened next because this story has a twist. A small restaurant reached out to me. Their social media pages were practically dead. Take a look. This is their Instagram. 22 views, 22. And over here, Facebook, 30 views. So they said, "Hey, can you help us fix this?" And I said, "Of course." So I want to show you exactly what we did for this restaurant so you can apply it to your business too. So we didn't throw money at ads. Nope. This was pure organic growth. Here's exactly what we did in the first 28 days. In less than 1 hour, I completed a professional bio-optimization for them on both platforms. That means writing bios that speak to the customer and build trust instantly. We filled in every detail, contact info, business hours, type of cuisine, no guesswork for the audience. You can find all of this information in our free social media setup checklist. Now, after the setup, I sat down with the owner to discuss their brand. What are the brand colors? What makes this restaurant unique? And together we picked out the colors that represent their brand. And I know you're thinking, okay, what does picking colors have to do with growing my business? Well, let me tell you. Every Sunday, I created a brand new post theme using these colors to keep the feed fresh and exciting. Just imagine walking into this restaurant and seeing these consistent colors everywhere. The stationery, the menu, the uniform, it creates a strong, memorable brand experience. But here's where things get really interesting. After analyzing their audience insights, I discovered when they were most active. And guess what? We scheduled posts accordingly. Can you see the results? More visibility, more engagement. I also uploaded mouth-watering food pics as static posts to capture attention and drive sales. We didn't stop there. We mixed it up with short, dynamic reels that showcased their awesome dishes and specials. It was a winning combo. Now let's talk strategy. We decided to hold off on paid ads for now. Our focus was to stabilize the page and build a solid foundation through quality and consistent organic posts. So how often should you be posting? 5 times a week. Yes, 5 times a week. Because if your social media presence is dead, you don't revive it by whispering. So after 28 days of implementing these strategies, I checked in on their progress. Are you ready? Instagram went from 22 views to 1,500 organic views. That's over 6,500% increase in just 1 month. And Facebook, it jumped from 30 to 2,000 organic views. No ad budget, just strategy. Here's the deal. In today's world, social media is essential, especially for restaurants. If you're not active, you're invisible. But here's the even bigger problem. Throwing money at social media ads without a strategy is like buying ingredients without a recipe. It might seem tempting, but it won't taste good and it won't work. You need a solid plan first. That's why I'm offering you a helping hand. DM us for a free audit report of your business. Discover how to shine in your local market. Tell us about your restaurant, and we'll give you a free social media report with tips tailored for you. It's the era of social media, and you deserve to stand out.